class or not? Have you done this question, everyone?
Yes.
Acha. So how many of you? Chalo, theek hai, let's do it again. Let's check the memory power of everyone. Just give me a second. Okay, Safia. Okay. Is it? Are you sure? Is it height, Safia? The answer that you have given to me. And one more thing. Where is unit, Safia, for the image test? That's completely wrong. And I've been telling you continuously, but Safia, please correct it and let me know the unit correctly. Rayana, Prince, Umair, and Ritvika. Answer. Please do it fast. We have to start the new topic. Umair, what about your exam? I think it's on 23rd now.
Yes, sir.
Check. Are you prepared?
Yes, sir.
Because you'll be having the same kind of exam on tomorrow as well. So that will give you a kind of help as a practice test. Okay, so same types of questions, same pattern, everything would be there. Okay. Bit fast, everyone. You took almost 4 minutes to solve this question. Okay, got it, Ritvika. Okay, okay, Afrin. Okay, Ritvika, okay. Yes, Safia, now it's correct. Up chicken, that's good. It seems look like you are being like you're taking away the soul of physics without mentioning the unit. It's very rude, huh? It's very rude to the physics. Chalo, chicken. Answer by Umair and Rayan. Only both the boys are left with the answer. Girls have given the answer and they are in the driver's seat winning, but boys are in the backward, like basically the passenger seat. Answer, everyone. Rehan, what happened? Last minute. Okay, got the answer. I think Umair. Yes, Umair. Okay. Umair, again, you have made the mistake, which is where is the unit of the image distance? You have not mentioned the unit. And your magnification is wrong. If you are saying that the image is forming behind the mirror, so how could it be possible that the magnification is negative? So you are doing silly mistakes in the calculations. Okay, please look at the screen, everyone. Let's do it. And after that, let's start the new topic. Okay. The question is saying that a car radius of curvature is there. Okay. So a rear view mirror is there, and in the rear view mirror we have convex mirror, right, installed in that. Okay. So that gives the wider field of view behind the car. Okay. And the radius of the curvature is 2 meter. So as I have told you that the radius, or you can say the focal length of the convex mirror will always be positive, right? Yes or no? So R is equals to 2F. So I need F is equals to R by 2. That is coming out to be 2 by, that is equals to 1 meter. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is a truck is coming from the behind at a distance of 3.5 centimeter, 3.5 meter. Just so a truck is coming from the behind having an object distance. So object distance would be 3.5 meter. So U would be negative. That is minus 3.5. Now I need to calculate the position of the image, that is from the mirror formula. So 1 by F is equals to 1 by V over 1 by U. Okay. Substitute the value. So that is 1 over 1 is equals to 1 by V minus 1 by 3.5. So I can write 1 by V as 1 plus 1 over 1.3 by 5, 3.5. Okay. So this would be equals to, just because LCM would be same, that is 3.5. So 3.5 plus 1, that is coming out to be 4.5 over 3.5. So this is coming out to be V, 1 by V. So V would be equals to 3.5 over 4.5. Yes or no, everyone? See this thing, this decimal
Yes,
will
sir.
be removed. So this comes out to be 35 over 45. So 5 sevens are 35, 5 nines are 45. Okay. So this is equals to 7 by 9 meter. Okay. So the value comes out to be 7. So it's so 0.7, 63 and 7. So 0.77 meter. Is that the answer that you have got, everyone? Okay. Next is, the question is saying that we need to calculate the size of the image relative to the size of the truck. So in simple words, it is asking to calculate the magnification because the height of the truck is not given. So it is basically asking to asking the size of the image relative to the size of the truck. That is V by U. That is your magnification. So according to the formula, that is M is equals to minus of V by U. That is equals to minus point. Let me write it as 7 by 9 only. Okay. And I can write this thing as 35.3.5. Okay. When I remove this decimal, 10 will multiply in the numerator. Yes or no, everyone? So this would become 70 and this negative will be cancelled. 70 over 9 into 35. So this is coming out to be 2 by 9. Okay. So 2 over 9. So 2 over 9 would be equals to around point two. So 9 2 is 18 and 2.22. Is that clear?
Sir, don't we need to change the meter into centimeter?
Could you please repeat?
Don't we need to change the centimeter into centimeter?
No, no. If everything is given in meters, so why there is a need to calculate in centimeter? देखो, object height is sorry, object distance in meter, basically, or radius of curvature is also in meter. Everything is in meter, so there is no need for that. ठीक है? Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? 21. Okay, that's cool. Please note it down. Those who have made the mistake, please correct it in your answer sheets. Clear to all of you?
Certain.
ठीक है. So can you move to the next topic, everyone? Safia, Ritvika, Afreen, Rayan, and Umair. ठीक है? Chalo. Now let's understand the new topic. That is your.
Can, sir,
Yes, Umair, are you saying something?
can you go ahead?
Umair, your voice is very low. Could you please repeat?
I didn't complete that thing.
Umair, your voice is low. Could you please repeat once again?
So,
So now let's. Are you still writing, Umair?
I'm finished, sir.
Finish. ठीक है. Okay, refraction. Okay. So now let's come to the first question of this class in terms of concept. Okay, so what do you understand by refraction of light? One by one. Okay, I'll be coming to one by one. So let's understand what is refraction of light in your words, right? So let's come to the Umar. Okay, Umar, please tell me what do you understand by refraction of light?
Like when the light ray bends when it goes from a rare to denser medium or denser to rare medium.
अच्छा, ठीक है. Okay, so that in actually let me complete the sentence. Actually, your voice was breaking. So as far as I got the words, that is the bending of light from going from one medium to another medium. That's the sentence you have said.
Yeah, from rare to denser, from denser to rare.
From rare to denser. ठीक है, ठीक है. Okay, let's come to Ritvika. Yes, Ritvika, what do you understand by that?
Sir, it's the changing of the path of the ray of light when it travels through a different medium.
ठीक है, good. Let's come to Sophia. Sophia, I'm not asking for smiling. I'm asking the question.
Sir, the bending of light
Hmm. Bending of light. In what context?
from denser to rarer
अच्छा,
medium.
ठीक है. अच्छा, ठीक है. Oh, चलो, ठीक है. Good. What about you, Afreen?
So the bending of light when it goes from one medium to another is called refraction.
अच्छा, ठीक. Okay, last but not the least, Rayan. Yes, Rayan. What do you say?
The bending of light rays by the object by the difference between the density.
Acha, ठीक. Oh, that's good. So all of you have said a very near answer, like very like almost correct answer. Okay. So okay, now let me tell you the basically the actual basically the definition you can say. So refraction of light means, suppose that, acha, theek hai? So refraction is another concept. Do not merge it with the reflection. Some properties would be similar to the reflection, but not similar. You can say, I'll just explain it. Okay. So the refraction of light. Suppose that I'm drawing with the figure first. Okay. Suppose that this is. So light ray is basically striking the surface. Yes or no? Okay. So
Yes.
this is your medium one. Okay. So this is a different medium. So suppose that this is air. Okay. And this is your water. So light ray is going from air and water. Yes. So what do we understand? What do we think that light ray will be going straight like this? So the light ray will pass the water like this, as it is, without any without any problem. It will just go through as it is, in which direction it is moving, right? But in reality, what happens basically, the light ray bends a little bit from the actual path. So the actual path was basically this, right? So just let me take another value. So actual path was this, but as you can see, this thing light ray has bended from the actual path. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? At least say yes or no. कुछ तो बोलो बच्चों. ठीक है?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Because if you're not interacting with me, how would I know that you are getting my point? Okay. So it's whenever I ask him something, until you get my point or not, you should say at least yes or no so that I can get the idea. Okay. Okay, so this means that light ray, you can see this thing, light ray is bending right from the original position. So this phenomena is called the bending of light, or you can say the refraction of light. Okay. Okay, so now what thing will come to your mind is basically why it is happening. Light ray is going from one medium to another medium. That's what we have got, right? Okay, let's fine. But why is it bending? So basically, everyone, the light ray travels faster in the air, or you can say vacuum. The maximum speed of light is in the vacuum or air, in simple words that we say, right? But the speed of light changes when it is traveling in different mediums, right? So when the light ray goes from one medium to another medium, there is a change in speed of light. What is changing? Change in speed of light. That's the reason, okay, behind the refraction, or you can say the bending of light going from one medium to another medium. Okay. And this bending, that how much this light will bend depends on different factors, right? So we'll discuss that factors as well in the coming class. So is that clear to you, everyone, that what I have explained so far to you?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes,
The
sir.
bending
Yes, sir.
of light from one medium to another medium due to change in speed of light. What is the reason? If somebody asks that, what is the cause of bending of light? What do you say, everyone?
The change in speed of light.
Change in speed of light.
Change in
Yes,
speed.
that's great. That's very good. That's very good. Yeah. So, okay. So let me just erase it a little bit, erase this thing, and let me write down the definition. After that, I'll explain all the things with the figure as well. No need to worry. Okay. Acha, let me know one thing. Which color looks a little bit more appealing or more like I can say eye pleasant for you? Like this red or this color? Which color? Or this one?
Red,
Which should I use to write?
red.
Red.
Red. Ritvika, Afreen, Umair, Safia, red, or which
Red
or
is
any other? Red, red. Okay, that means okay, chicken. Because I have got the I've got the, we can say, the recommendation that the using only red color is a little bit basically not pleasant for the eye. So that's why I thought I should ask from the students as well whether it's like comfortable for you or not when you see the notes in the copy. So does it look good for you?
Yes,
Easily
sir.
readable? Chalo, theek hai. I'll be using
Yes, sir.
different colors for the diagram as well. No need to worry. Okay. So now let's understand this thing. Just give me a second. pen. Just a second. So let me write the first thing based on the refraction. So what is the refraction? Change direction of light pulses from so let me draw the figure right here so that you can understand what I'm trying to say. So the light ray will strike like this. The light ray will bend like this. Okay. The light ray So as you can see, this thing light is bending and coming out from the medium, right? So this is what the refraction look like. Check everyone.
Yes, sir.
This is called incident ray. This is called refracted ray. This is called emergent ray because the light ray is coming out of the medium. That's why it is called emergent ray. Okay. So please draw it. I'll explain with the basically labeling as well in the coming topic. Okay. When it passes from medium, another medium, okay. And the word is basically obliquely. Obliquely means with some angle. Okay. Obliquely is called refraction. Okay, everyone see this thing. You can see this thing, the light ray. So the refraction is happening only at the medium. Otherwise, light ray is traveling straight in the medium. But when it is coming or going into another medium, that the light ray is bending, right? So that's why the refraction only happens at the boundary of the medium. This is the boundary. You can see this thing. This one is boundary. This one is boundary. So the refraction happens only at the boundary. Is that clear, all of you?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Oh, that's good. Chicken. Refraction of light. Takes boundary between two medium. Okay. So that's what the. Okay, one more thing, everyone. So just let me draw one thing. So this is your normal chicken. This one is your normal again. This one. So this one. So this one is your normal. So angle between, just a second. So let's use it. Angle. So angle between this is called angle of incidence. So angle between the incident ray and the normal is called angle of incidence, and the angle between the refracted ray and the normal is called angle of refraction. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Check. That's good.
Yes, sir.
That's great. So now let's. So next is, so the refraction of light is due to the change in speed of light. Chicken. The refraction light is due to the change in speed of light ongoing from one medium okay. Okay, now see this thing, everyone. Suppose the light ray travels with 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So suppose the light ray is going from air to water. So in water, or you can say in glass, right? Suppose let's take glass. Okay. So in glass, the speed comes to 1 into 10 to the power 8 meter. That means there is a difference. So now initially the light ray was traveling with a 3 lakh kilometer per second, and suddenly the speed has gone to 1 lakh kilometer per second. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
right? So that means this is a huge difference from 3 lakh to 1 lakh. That's a very big difference. Like it's equal to 2 lakh difference kilometer per second. So if the difference is very high between when the light ray is going from one medium to another medium, so bending of light would be more. So the greater the difference between the light ray, the speed of light from going from one medium to another medium, greater will be the bending of light. Okay. So less will be the difference, less will be bending. But if the difference is more, then the difference, your light will bend more. Clear, all of you? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm writing this thing. Everyone, this is not as simple as reflection. This is a little bit complicated. So please be attentive in the class. Okay. The part is, okay. So greater the difference, speeds of light, the two media, greater will be the that clear, all of you. Just give me a
Yes,
second,
sir.
everyone. Just please. Yes, everyone. Done with this part.
Yes, sir.
Take it. Now let's come to the mediums, like the types of mediums in which the light travels. How do we classify them? Take it. Now let's talk about the optically rarer medium and denser medium. So basically we have two types of medium in, okay. So we have classified the mediums into two types. One is called optically rarer medium, right? In simple words, the medium, the light will travel faster. Those mediums are called optically rarer medium. Okay, in which like basically light will faster more as compared to another. Okay. Next is optically denser medium. So just like glass, water. So these are denser medium because molecules are very close to each other. Okay, the packing of the molecules are very close. So in that, we say that optically denser medium, right? Because the light travels slower than the speed of slower than the air. Is that clear, all of you? Ritvika, Safia, Afrin, Umair, clear?
Yes,
चलो
sir.
ठीक है. Optically the point A is a medium in which speed of light is more known as optically rare. Okay. And the first part would be when the light ray is traveling from basically in the optically rare medium. So we have, okay, so just a second. Before that, let me write down one more point. Okay. And the medium in which the light is traveling slower will be your optically denser medium. Is that clear, all of you? In which just a minute, one of my hands are slipping because it's very, you can say, hot weather right now in Delhi. Rate of light is less. Denser medium. Okay. So now from these two definitions, We have we have got one conclusion, so I'll just write it. Case one. So when the light ray is going from rarer to denser, in that case, the light will bend towards the normal, because everyone see this thing in the rarer, speed of light is more as compared to denser. Yes or no, everyone? So that means light will bend towards the normal. It will bend towards the normal, right, everyone? I'll just explain it with the drawing as well. Just let me write down this thing. When the light ray goes from rarer medium denser medium, it bend towards the normal. Okay. So please do let me know, everyone, is that clear to you or not? Just give me a second. Let me paste this, copy this thing. So that I can explain it to you. Okay. So just erase this thing. So light ray is going like this. Okay, so when the light ray is going, so this is the point of incidence. So here the normal will be drawn. This. So it will bend towards the normal like this. Okay. So as you can see, the light ray should have gone straight, but actually, so it's not going straight, it's basically bending towards the normal. Is that clear, everyone? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this angle, your angle of incidence, and this angle is your angle of refraction. So see this, could you please tell me, everyone, is angle I is equals to angle R, or is there any difference between them?
Why is it different, sir?
The difference is
Yes, difference is there, because see this thing, the light ray, if the light ray has gone straight, that in that case the I and R would be equal. But right now light is bending towards the normal. In this case, everyone, angle of incidence is more as compared to angle of R. Yes or no? Okay. So this is your, let me explain it to you. So this is your is your incident ray. Check it. This is your diffracted ray. Okay. And this one is your normal. Incident ray. Ray. Okay. And this is your normal. Okay, so this medium is your radar medium. Okay. And this medium is your dense medium. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I hope this is clear. How does the light ray travel when it is going from one medium to another medium?
Yes, sir.
That's great. Please note it down. So the next case would be when a light ray ray goes from a denser medium it goes away from the normal. Yeah. So let me copy this figure. Yeah. So actually the light ray will go away from the normal like this. Okay. So as you can see this thing, the light ray. Okay, so this one will be your angle of refraction. Okay. This is your angle of refraction. Now see this thing, everyone. Is angle I is equals to angle R? Follow? No. That means is it from the figure you can see. So is which one is greater?
Angle R.
Angle R is greater. So in the when the light is going from denser to rarer, the light goes away from the normal. In that case, angle R is greater than angle I. Okay. So this one is your denser. So this one is your rarer. This one is your denser. Okay, this one is your denser. Please do let me know, everyone, is that clear to you or not? Any doubt so far to anyone? Please draw it this figure. Let me know once done. Okay. So we have completed this topic. So one topic, only one topic is left in the refraction. After that, we'll study the effects of refraction along with the laws of refraction in the next class, right? So, and after that, it would be refractive index. All of you done?
Yes, sir.
Sure, that's great. Okay. So half part of the refraction is done. Only the refraction, not the complete refraction. Basically, refraction is divided for the spherical lenses as well, right? So we have spherical lens, same just like the mirror formula. We have lens formula as well to implement the refraction. And after that, we'll be doing just a second. And after that, we'll be talking about the refractive index. That is one of the quantity, you can say the basically a kind of measure which give the idea of which your material or which medium will bend the light most or not, right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt so far to anyone? Please do let me know. Clear to all of you?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo, that's great. So with this, let's end this class, and after this class, you'll be having no assessment for there. Did you have assessment for mirror formula in the last class? Yes or no, Bachoo? Did you have the assessment? Mirror formula? Okay, just
No,
give me a
sir.
second. Let me check. Let me check.
Recombinance will have.
Just give me a second. No assessment. Okay, okay. So after this class, we'll be having assessment, right? So it's a request to all of you, please. Okay, and I'll be giving homework question based on the you can say the mirror formula. Okay, so that you can practice more. I think we have completed mirror formula last class. Okay. So assessment should have been there. Okay, okay. कोई बात नहीं, I'm basically marking as completed. Next one is your reflection, right? Okay. So that's great. So after this class, please go and check out the assessment and